Did you know that spirulina is good for your gut health? Its polysaccharides serve as a food source for beneficial gut bacteria. They are absorbed almost immediately. Spirulina helps promote a more diverse and balanced gut microbiome. As beneficial gut bacteria ferment these polysaccharides, they produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. These compounds are crucial for maintaining the health of the intestinal lining and possess anti-inflammatory properties. Because the majority of the human immune system is located in the gut, the modulation of the gut microbiome by spirulina helps strengthen immune function. And because spirulina lacks the rigid, indigestible cellulose wall found in other plants and algae, it integrates more smoothly into the digestive process. Ready to feel the difference? Nourish your gut from within. Start taking Aztec Spirulina today for a happy and healthy you.